everyone! Today, i-share ko sa inyo how much money I made as a Nikki live streamer and a content creator in 2024. I'm sharing this for transparency in case this is something na gusto nyo nang gawin this 2025. So, magkano yung na-earn ko dito sa Nikki Live? So, paano ka ba makaka-earn dito sa Nikki Live? First, yung mga virtual gifts. Second, yung mga bonuses na binibigay ng agency once na maka-reach ka ng quota. And third, as a content creator dito sa Nikki Live. Isang taon na yung nakalipas simula na nag-live ako dito sa Nikki Live and naka-earn ako na almost 500,000 pesos sa loob ng isang taon. At naging Nikki Live content creator naman ako for almost 6 months at naka-earn ako ng almost 100,000 pesos. Ang laki, no? That's why my income in Nikki Live supports me. Through Nikki Live, natuto ako maging independent. I can pay my own bills na. At kaya ko nang bilhin lahat ng gusto ko whenever I want. How did I achieve this income? Step by step. Growth looks different from everybody. Mayroong iba na isang linggo pa lang kumikita ng 5,000 pesos. Yung iba naman inaabot ng isang buwan para kitain yung 5,000 pesos. So just be patient with yourself. And don't worry, I got you. Mag-share ako ng 3 tips na feeling ko naka-help talaga sa akin to gain more followers, more viewers, at to be a better live streamer overall. The first one is showing fun events. For example, spicy food challenge. Magda-live ka while eating spicy noodles. And magbibigay ng gift yung mga viewers kada subo mo sa spicy noodle. That will be fun. Trust me. Try nyo. It will make your life different from other streamers, kaya mas malaki yung chance na pumunta yung mga viewers sa live mo because they see something new. Second, don't stop talking. Kahit wala nagko-comment, just keep on talking about random things like holiday stories, kung ano nangyari sa iyo nung Pasko, nung bagong taon, embarrassing stories na nangyari sa iyo recently. Because when someone does jump onto your stream, at kapag naabutan niya yung stream mo na silence, hindi ka nagsasalita, hindi talaga siya mag-stay sa live mo. But if you're talking about a story, pwede silang maging interesado at mag-stay sa live mo. At baka mag-comment pa sila. At kapag naabutan iyo ng mga ibang mga viewers, baka maki-comment din sila. Third is to advertise. Meron tayong iba't ibang social media platform. May Facebook, may TikTok, may Instagram, may YouTube. So, use this platform to advertise your live stream. So, mag-post ka ng video about your live stream and then, for example, mag-post ka about your live stream. For example, I will be live at 8 p.m. So, possible na abangan nila yung live mo. Like, 8 p.m. na, baka live na si Claudine. Ganon. Use your social media to your advantage. What kind of content do I stream daily? Actually, as a live streamer, you shouldn't be talking about a lot of people. Dapat may mga specific target ka. For example, ikaw mahilig ka sa mga makeup. So, syempre, mas gusto mo makausap yung mga mahilig din sa makeup. Kasi magkakaintindihan kayo. This is important because this is basically how you can engage with people. Whatever those are, that is basically your content. How are you gonna make people care about your life? Hop on trends like sinabi ko nga, spicy food challenge. Tell stories. Your content should try to build a relationship with viewers. Mag-reply ka kapag may mga nagko-comment. What have I gained from streaming? Syempre, pera! Syempre, bukod doon, actually, backstory. When I was in school, I was super shy. Wala akong friends. But being a live streamer, I get to connect with people. And I've made friends here. So, dito ko natutunan kung paano makipag-interact with different kinds of people. So, being a streamer made me a better person. So, kung gusto niyo simulan na yung live streaming during this 2025, I suggest dito si Nikki Live. Because Nikki Live provides excellent services to hosts. Timely resolution of issues faced by hosts. Talaga kapag sinabi nila na by tomorrow, mapifix na yung issue. Tomorrow talaga fix na yung issue. Patient responses to streamers' inquiries. Na-experience ko na to last year kasi nagka-problem yung account ko and they are really patient kasi nag-worry na ako kasi ano nangyari sa account ko, gano'n, but they are really patient with me and fixed the issue. Well, fixing the issue. Frequent interaction between the official team and host via live connections. Sa Nikki Live, madami event dito. And si Nikki Live official team ang mismong nag-host. In this way, the official team and host dito sa Nikki, nagkakaroon sila ng interaction and better engagement sa isa't isa. Focus on optimizing product pictures and user experience, improving benefits and welfare for hosts, and creating a more enjoyable live streaming platform. So sa bagong feature dito sa Nikki Live, we have a VIP feature which is you can do party live with 13 people. In this way, mas madami kang makikilalang friends at mas magiging engaging yung live mo kasi madami kayo dun. The more the merrier. So ano pa hinihintay nyo? Download Nikki Live now. See you there! Happy live streaming!